faith in our heart and pride is in our soul and love for the nation is in our blood. I, Kanika Ghai, Principal, Surat School, Sector 56, wishes you all a very, very happy Independence Day. Thank you.
I wish you all my countrymen very, very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। विश यू वेरी हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे टू एवरीवन।
चोट खाने के बावजूद उड़ने की ललक पुरानी है, तब रखो घोषणा अपनी अपनी अपने अपने कंठों में। गलत करूंगा साबित, यहाँ कोई अरिहंत नहीं, गिर जाना मेरा अंत नहीं। आप सभी को ये कुछ मेरी तरफ से मोटिवेशनल लाइंस आपके जीवन के लिए, और इसी के साथ आपको इस 75th इंडिपेंडेंस डे के दिन मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं और सूरज स्कूल की तरफ से बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। थैंक यू सो मच।
As we all know that India is completing one more glorious year of her independence. So here's my wishing for you all on the 75th Independence Day. Happy Independence Day. Vande Mataram.
We all Indians celebrate our independence that we got from British rulers. And apart from this, we pay tribute to all the heroic personalities who sacrificed their life for our nation, for our country. Thank you so much and wishing you all again a very, very happy Independence Day. Thank you so much.
On the occasion of Amrit Mahotsav, I would like to extend my warm greetings to each and everyone. Wishing you a happy Independence Day. Thank you so much.
Today we are celebrating 50th Independence Day, so it is a very proud moment to all of us. So दिन वो फिर आया है, तिरंगा खुलकर मुस्कुराया है, तोड़कर पराधीनता की वीडियो को देखो, ध्वज कैसे मुस्कुराया है। थैंक यू वंस अगेन, विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे।
आन देश की शान देश की हम संतान है, तीन रंगों में रंगा तिरंगा अपनी ये पहचान है। विश यू ए वेरी 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 हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे फ्रॉम सूरत स्कूल सेक्टर 56।
Hello everyone, this is Garima Pura from Surat School, wishing you a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Life without liberty is like a body without spirit. Wishing you all a happy Independence Day.
We honor our freedom fighters in the celebration of Independence Day. This day teaches us importance of patriotism and strengthens our unity. Happy Independence Day to all. Thank you.
तूफान कभी शांत नहीं होते, आंधियों से जो डर जाए वह मुकाम नहीं होते, जो इस देश के झंडे को सलाम नहीं करते वह सच्चे इंसान नहीं होते, वह सच्चे इंसान नहीं होते। सूरत स्कूल सेक्टर 56 की तरफ से आप सबको स्वतंत्र दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
जीरो दिया मेरे भारत ने मेरे भारत ने, दुनिया को तब गिनती आई, दुनिया को तब गिनती आई, तारों की भाषा भारत ने दुनिया को पहले सिखलाई। हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे।
Good morning everyone. So wishing everyone 75th Independence Day to everyone, each of us. And I just want to share the significance of tricolor. So the topmost color is of saffron color, which indicates courage and strength of the country. And the middle one is white, which is white in color, which shows us peace, truth with Dharma Chakra. And the bottom one is of green color, the bottom band, which indicates growth and fertility of our soil, of our land. And everyone wishes 75th Independence Day. Thank you.
आप सभी को गणतंत्र दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। जय हिंद।
We have got independence after years of struggle and sacrifices. So let's just value all the struggle and sacrifices of our freedom fighter, and let's just promise to make our nation happy, healthy and prosperous one. Wishing you all a very happy Independence Day from all the members of Surat School Sector 56 Gurugram. Thank you.
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं वतन मेरे वतन। Wish you a very very happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Independence Day to all of you. I am PRT teacher of Surat School. I am with my children wishing you all happy Independence Day.
And we wish you a 75th Happy Independence Day from all of us. We should have freedom in our mind, faith in our hearts, and a lot of memories for the soldiers who sacrificed their life for us, for the freedom of the country. So wishing you a lot of happiness from Suraj Group family. Thank you.
आया आजादी का नया जमाना, हर तक ये कहना प्लास्टिक को दूर भगाना। आओ मिलकर ज्ञान की रोशनी जगाएं, बाजार कपड़े का थैला लेकर ही जाएं। हर घर ज्ञान की रोशनी फैलाना, बेटी बचाना बेटी पढ़ाना। ज्ञान की गुलामी से आजादी दिलाए, हर घर ज्ञान की रोशनी फैलाएं। जन जन पढ़ाएं, जन जन पढ़ाएं। धन्यवाद। हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे।
Wishes you all a very happy Independence Day. We should respect the sacrifices of our soldiers and enjoy this day with great energy and enthusiasm. Thank you.
Freedom came to us as a gift of our ancestors. Let us respect and value this precious movement so that we may never lose it. Warm wishes to all of you on this Independence Day. Jai Hind!
Independence Day is celebrated to pay tribute and remember all the freedom fighters of our country. In this day, we remember all of them with great enthusiasm. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, and let's fly Har Ghar Tiranga.
A very good morning to all of you. Today I, Priya Sharma, standing in front of you all, welcoming you all for the 75th Independence Day in Suraj School Sector 56. Today I would like to remember all those martyrs who have sacrificed their life for our country, and our school is celebrating for them. Thank you and have an Independence Day. Jai Hind.
कुछ नशा तिरंगे की शान का है, कुछ नशा मातृभूमि की शान का है। हम लहराएंगे हर जगह यह तिरंगा, नशा ये हिंदुस्तान की शान है। स्वतंत्रता दिवस की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
All are so different, but there is only one thing that unites us, and that is independence. So we should honor it, respect it, and never forget how hard we fought to achieve it. Have a very, very happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Happy Independence Day to all. Greeting on the occasion of India's 75th Independence Day. Let's celebrate this event and rejoice in the spirit of independent India. Wishing all of you a very happy Independence Day from Suraj School, Sector 56, Gurugram. Thank you.
We live in a country which is having freedom, but true freedom will come when the thinking and minds of the people will be positive and there will be no discrimination, especially on the basis of gender. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day.
As India is celebrating 75th Independence Day, I want to congratulate you all. Happy Independence Day.
ना पूछो जमाने से क्या हमारी कहानी है, हमारी पहचान इतनी है कि हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं। विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे।
Freedom is the oxygen of the soul. Wishing you a happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
नमस्कार। 75वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस पर अमृत महोत्सव पर सबको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
I wish you a very happy Independence Day from Suraj School, Sector 56, Gurugram. Thank you.
Jai Hind.
Is the most precious thing in every human life. Happy Independence Day.
We wish you all happy Independence Day.
I love my India. Jai Hind.